Let's say you like cars going fast. And you like holidays. Let's say you like cars going fast on holidays. Well, you're in luck. This is how to make a Supercheap Auto Best Performing Oils campaign in only 4 steps. Here's what you'll need. A holiday park, 5 high-performance vehicles, 10 top drivers, a turbocharged RAV4 and a V8 turbo ice cream van with suitable drivers to match. Finally, 1 Australian motor racing legend and Australia's favourite high-octane game show host. Grant Denyer will do nicely. Now, you're ready for step 1. Find a story. Let's start with 5 cars and 1 campsite left. Make it a waterfront campsite. Next to Grant Denyer. Then throw in some obstacles to keep things interesting. The sausage snatch, the titty drift, an accidental hitch up, followed by an accidental unhitch, and 2 angry scouts. Okay, I think we're ready for step 2. Prepare your location. Lake Redline Holiday Park. That sounds perfect. You've got tight bends for some sideways action, a couple of straights for more sideways action, and grass, of course. What's a campground without some grass? Things are looking real, so it's time for step 3. Prepare your vehicles. Newlon have a 1500 horsepower XY wagon, Castrol brought a trophy truck, Mobil One have a drift car, Valvoline showed up in an off-road buggy, and Penrite came in a hot rod drifter. Load them up with holiday toys, then you're ready for step 4. Unleash your drivers. Open the boom gate to a kick-ass music track. It helps if your drivers don't know where they're going. Next, watch as the mayhem unfolds. Spice things up with your angry scouts, a hooked-up fisherman, or a poorly placed billboard. Throw in Craig Lowndes and his obnoxiously long motorhome. Step 5. The cameos. Keep your audience on their toes with their favourite stars as cameos. With over 60 faces, you'll have everyone skipping back again and again. And that's it. You're done. You've made this trip super with Supercheap Auto and the best performing oils. Time for a cup of tea with Grant Denyer. Find detailed videos and more ways to help you make it super with Supercheap Auto's Super DIYs. Make it super at Supercheap Auto.